Hey guys, Steve Lamb back here with this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. So the Overland's one of the highest trim levels you can get, so it's fully loaded with so many options. It's too many to list, but it's got every safety feature. It's got, so we have the LED lighting package, which is an upgrade. Your low beams, high beams, fog lights are all LED. You got the daytime running light that's LED as well, looks very sharp at night. This Overland's a V6. It comes with 295 horsepower, capable of towing up to 6,200 pounds. We got these nice chrome front fascia that comes with the Overland, chrome Jeep symbol, chrome tow hooks coming around to the side. We got 20x8 aluminum wheels with a satin finish as well, wrapped in 20-inch Pirelli Scorpion tires, really good all-season tires. We did install the mud flaps on this. We have side marker signal lights, nice chrome touches on this Overland throughout the vehicle, the handles. This key is a keyless entry key, push to start, so this stays in your purse or your pocket the whole time, it never comes out. Keyless entry, press this to lock it, slide your hand in to unlock it. Very nice feature, very convenient. You got your roof rails on top as well, so you can put more stuff up there. It's also finished in chrome. Coming to the back, gas cap. This vehicle does take regular fuel, so that's awesome. You don't have to pay for premium fuel in a premium vehicle. Coming around to the back, we got very nice LED lighting. It's very bright at night. Everybody's gonna see it coming from far away. We got your backup camera as well, so when you're backing up, you can see. You can also see what you're backing up to if you're gonna hook up and tow and pull anything, because we have your tow package included with this unit with your 4 and 7 pin connectors and your hitch. It's also got, you can't really see it because it's black on black, but we have parking sensors front and rear, so that's going to help you park your vehicle better and avoid hitting anything for costly repairs. It's got a very, very, very large trunk. It's got your cover to cover your stuff and all your goodies when you're at the mall, so you don't get anything stolen. Also, if you'll notice, there is a subwoofer here. So this one comes with the Alpine. No, this is the Harmon Kardon. This is another level up. Harmon Kardon 17 speaker stereo, high performance audio with a built-in subwoofer and an upgraded amplifier. There's more storage down here as well. So more and more room as we go on here. And we got a full-size spare tire, and that's very rare these days in a newer vehicle. Power lift gate. So you can close it by pressing that button there, or on your key, or in the cockpit of the Jeep. There's a button as well up top. And then let's go check out the interior here. So in this interior of this back, the whole vehicle, it's a black on black. It's got the nice synthetic black trim with the chrome, nice chrome touches. You got your Harmon Kardon tweeters and speakers. These seats do fold back and recline for ultimate comfort for highways and stuff like that. Not just that, but if you need more cargo space, if you're down at Canadian Tire or Walmart, or you buy something fairly large and awkward, just like that, you flip it, lays flat down, extra room for cargo. That's going to protect the seats here as well. Very nice. I love the black headliner. It keeps everything nice and tidy, and if you notice all these little circles everywhere, those are speakers all over the vehicle. You can have up to quite a few cell phones actually hooked up to the Bluetooth, and depending on which one's primary, it'll hook up to that one automatically. This one does have the dual pane panoramic sunroof. The cover's on it right now, you can't see it, but we can open this and we can show you what it's all about. Let's quickly fold the seats back up here. So on the Overland, we have heated rear seats as well for your rear passengers, USB connections for your phones charging, and 115 volt plug-in household plug, convenient for everything that you need to plug in there. And let's go around to the front. All right, looking at the front of this Overland, I'm just gonna jump in here. There's tons of space. You got your cup holders, your typical large glove box, storage compartment 1, put your cell phone there. You got your USB connectors there, auxiliary connectors as well. Storage 2, got a shallow little storage spot here for your documents, registration, whatever you have. And then going down to the second one, you got a big large cubby hole here, so you can have whatever you want in there, trunk drawer away from home kind of thing. So this vehicle comes with your select terrain system, which is nice. It's got hill descent control, 4-wheel drive low when you get in those sticky situations and you really need to get it sand or mud or something like that, or deep snow. It's got the select terrain system, so you can go into snow mode, sand mode, auto, mud, or rock, whatever you're driving on. It's got, particular to the Overlands, this has the air suspension, so you can raise and lower the car by a push of a button. 3 levels up and 3 levels down. You can set it so when you park your car, it automatically lowers the vehicle too, so easy access in and out. You got your 8.4-inch touchscreen. Very intuitive, easy to use. I'll just turn off the light here so you can see it better. So you got your Bluetooth, Uconnect 4 system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. All your whole phone will project to the actual screen and through the speakers, which is an awesome, nice feature. You got standard navigation. We got XM radio. Like I said, it's got the cold weather package, heated seats, heated wheel, built-in remote starter. There's an app you can start and unlock your car anywhere in the world from your phone and see where it is with a GPS location, which is a nice touch as well. This vehicle has so much technology. This is it's also capable of parking itself parallel and perpendicular, which is unreal. So we got your lane departure as well, sport button, your auto on and off start to save you fuel. That's got that system. It's got the intelligent cruise control, dimming mirrors, home link for all your garage doors. Here's the panoramic sunroof I was talking about. If you open the shade, the sunroof goes all the way to the back, which is great for your kids and whoever's just in the back, really, gazing at the stars. But yeah, this has so many options. Come down and see us at our store. Our address is 1155 St.Albert Trail, or give me a shout on my cell. Ask for Steve. I'll go over everything with you. I can show you every feature. My number is 780-232-1235, or you can call us at the store at 780-458-8660. Thanks, guys.